Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a stunning Yamaha RD400 two-stroke. Bike has had a huge amount of work done to it and is mechanically beautiful, really beautiful. First kick, I just started up there. I actually have a video of it just idling and revving, and it just sounds a really beautiful tuned bike. We've had this in stock a long time because we were debating what we're going to do with it. We kind of have done a mechanical overhaul of the whole bike: brakes, tires, fuel, carburetors, engine rebuild, exhausts, everything else, electrics, everything like that. And we actually think that the bike as it sits is what we would like to have. It's an original bike. We haven't changed the color. We were thinking of painting it, redoing it all, making it, up to standard, up to a very high standard. But I think the patina on the bike lends into it. The feeling when you're on it, we really like the way it's at now. And genuinely, we did think about it a long time. And this is the way we would want it. So we're selling it like this. Now the next owner might think, well, I need to get everything resprayed and redone. Personally, I think the bike needs to stay as it is. I think its patina is beautiful and shows the age of the bike, and I just think it's really cool. So I'll show you that thing. You have the kind of scruffiness here on the tank, but overall it's really, I'm being very harsh on the bike. Only has 12,000 miles on it. We do have a few little things like little dents in the exhaust, but like everything is just original to it. It's not been messed with. In the frame you have little bits of obviously stone chips and so on, and aging on the exhausts and on the engine cover casings and stuff like that, and a little scrape on the side panels. But overall I think it's beautiful as it is, and I think it should stay that way. Front mudguard really good, chrome looking good, front headlamp indicator assembly all good, switch gear, odometers, getting caught on the side here, all really good. The left hand side of the tank is in nice condition, engine area, everything like this. We've got a new chain on it, as you can see. The rear, all very good, exhaust, everything really nice on her. 1976 bike, RD400. Tire at the rear is good, disc here good as well, Yamaha, piston. But overall, as you can see, it's a very honest, nice bike, and it rides just really beautifully, and you'll see that now in the ride along video. Okay, we're on to the final bike, and I've left the best to last, the Yamaha RD400. Now, to start the bike, I'm going to first make sure she is in which is the arrow side, this way, reserve, and put the choke on. I'm going to turn the ignition on, and the bike is completely cold. I know I have my glove on, but cold. Second kick. Now I'll let her idle a little bit, warm up slightly. Bike is from the 70s now, so come on, give her a bit of slack. Put in the gear in the actual, kickstart, and away we go. Now I'm not going to get into the two-stroke power band today. Only a little bit of it there, but this bike is absolutely gorgeous. And if you've ridden two strokes before, they like to be in that power band. They don't really like being in certainly these kind of more what would have been sportier bikes of the day. You can see it comes into that power band, and it's much happier there. It's like all the fueling and everything just comes together. You can hear it, just wants to go. Oh, oh wow. This is nice. You just power through the gears. It's just so, you feel really engaged with the bike like this. You just, that you just don't get with newer bikes at all. I really can't let her go. I'm sorry, I know everyone wants to see it really rip, but I just can't. I'm in a residential unit here, but I can tell you now, it's just absolutely gorgeous to ride. Into first gear now. It's actually a pretty good handling little bike. It's just I'm not even, you don't even give it that much throttle, it just gets into that little power band, and it just takes off. You know, all the leanness. I think I've watched a few videos on two-stroke motors. They just kind of get into this lean state when they're in their combustion chamber, and everything comes together. Really beautiful bike. Now let's find neutral, if I can do it properly. There we are. Put on the side stand, and there we have it. The Yamaha RD400, top of the pops. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Right time of year for this type of thing, for going on little spins, enjoying it. And I left the best bike until very last, and I'm very happy I did, because it was a very enjoyable experience, even that little spin here. So if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. You've seen the bike idling, stopping, starting and going through the gears. It's a beautiful little bike. You've seen every little dent and scratch on it. So if you do want to reach out to us, our official socials are at RetroBikesDublin for Facebook and Instagram, or at RetroBikesDublin, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.